Ms. Lisa, I would just like to ask, since you mentioned earlier that this staging of Giselle would be made with new ballet dancers, and you said it would be challenging. Could you tell us what are the challenges that you are expecting to have and how you intend to overcome them? Thank you.
I think the greatest challenge of any artistic director is to keep the standard of the company's corps de ballet. They say that the way you measure the standard of any classical ballet company is you don't look at the principal dancers, don't look at the soloists, you look at the corps de ballet. And Giselle is very, very demanding on the willies, the corps de ballet of these women that are all in white, all have to dance in one style. It is more challenging. Why? Because of the pandemic, I lost so many dancers. And dancing as a group, it becomes better the more you do it. The more you dance as a cohesive unit, especially in Giselle for willies, it is really difficult to be able to create this illusion of 18 girls dancing in all the same style, with all the same line of the leg in their arabesques, with all the same line of arm, that is, and then all the same with the music, you know, especially those, the big willies dance with Mirtha in the beginning of Act 2. This needs a lot of rehearsal, a lot of work, and it's especially challenging. Why? Because I lost so many dancers, so this is now like a new group that we are dancing Giselle. So there are some dancers that have danced it many times before, but there are some dancers who it's their first time to dance in the waves. And so you kind of have to stretch these two levels to meet in the middle and become one unit when they perform, especially in Act 2 for the waves.
Magdalene Bernardo for Star.com. How was the ongoing Russian war able to affect you artistically and also your travel arrangements going to the Philippines? And
we promise not to talk about politics.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Miss Lisa, curious ako, ano yung pinagkaiba ng Miss Leon sa kayo? Ano yung mga bagong elements nila from Miss Lisa?
Bagong elements, you know, it's not, Giselle, for me there's really only one way to dance Giselle. There are some differences in interpretation, you know, like for example, the question always for Albrecht is he in love with Giselle, or is he just playing around, or is he just flirting with her? You know, for Giselle, there's always the question: is it my heart that breaks, or do I lose my mind? You know, for Act 2, it is always the difficulty is always the challenge of creating this eerie cemetery scene where you know, it's a graveyard. And there's these ghosts of young maidens who've been betrayed dancing. So it's a soft kind of dancing, but at the same time it's like steel. They have to be as strong as, you know, like steel. And unified as a group. It's achieved with rehearsal, but I think it's also achieved in class. So when a company is performing a classical ballet like Giselle, it's very important that even when they take class, they do all the head, all the arms, all the corps de bras, all the épaulement, that becomes then automatic when you dance on stage. So it's not, so even like when the willies are standing, it's not everybody standing straight, it's like with a little bit of a tilt of that upper body. And that's the magic of For me, it's the magic of the Russian school, and it's the magic of training in the Russian Vaganova technique every day. And so it becomes actually easier to unify the company in that style, in a classical ballet. It's more challenging for dancers to dance a classical ballet. Why? Because it's very difficult to disguise mistakes. When it's contemporary dance, modern choreography, it's a little easier to disguise mistakes. But when it's classical ballet, it's so pure that you really just have to be at the top of your game. And it's not just technique, it's the storytelling, it's the acting, it's the artistry that creates the whole effect of Giselle. As far as new things are concerned, we're going to have new sets, because all our sets burned down. We're going to have a new staging of the grave and all of that. There's some veils on the wings that we're going to have for effect. We're going to have, hopefully we're going to have creeping fog, not the fog that comes, that goes to the audience or goes up. Hopefully, we're also going to have Renato and Alexei. And I think that's really what I'm so excited about, is to be able to watch them dance together.
Thank you.